How to fix lag in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Fixing the lagging issue in Rainbow Six Mobile usually comes down to improving three main things. The first thing you should make sure is that you are connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or move closer to your router and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you have stable internet, it means you'll have a smoother gameplay. The next thing you want to do is to lower graphic settings. Launch open the Rainbow Six mobile game and inside the game lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open settings from where you need to go ahead and tap on the graphics option on the left hand side menu. Now, go to graphic quality option and set it to low or medium. Now the next thing to do is to set the frame rate limit to 30 and the menu frame rate limit to 30 as well. After you do that, the lower the graphics or frame rate, the better FPS. Now, the last thing you need to make sure is that you are only running the Rainbow Six mobile game on your device at the moment. Close off any background application while playing the game. This will free RAM and CPU power. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to restart your device if the problem still persists. After you restart your device, launch open the Rainbow Six mobile game again, and that might be able to help you fix your lagging issue. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.